smile that could light up the dark. Strong faith, close family, choosing love in the midst of tragedy. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. 'Cause you're my love, my everything.
Right then, we're here. New York City. How amazing is this? We're gonna head now, 49th Street and Radio City. We are going to head to the Radio City Apartments, which is a place we've been staying at for many, many times. It's home away from home.
And that's just simply up here, isn't it?
Yeah, we were just there in Times Square, and it is just 3 minutes up here to the Radio City Apartments. So good to be back in New York, eh?
Like I say, it's just literally here you can see where them lights are hanging over the bar.
That's how close it is from the subway station. Like after work. Good to be back.
And here you go. Radio City.
Yep. Beautiful location. And here we are. We're going to check in at the Radio City Apartments here on West 49th Street, 142 West 49th Street. Come on, guys, let's go in.
So up the steps we go.
And it'll be interesting to see if anyone recognises me. Hello.
How you doing, sir?
How are we doing? You okay?
Good thing. Second name?
Yeah.
What's the last name?
Darren, we're on the 12th floor, room 1207. Let's head in and have a look. So we've booked just a small studio room, so I don't know what they've actually provided us here. But you can get anything up to 2 bedrooms or even the penthouse, depending on what kind of money you want to spend. But we're not going to be in the room that much, so just 2 beds will do us. Right. 1207. Oh no, 1207. Here we go.
So right by the lift.
So these are the old key doors still. And wow, this looks really, really nice. So since we've been here before, I think they've done these rooms up quite a lot, but we'll give you just a quick tour before we make any messes or anything like that. So let's have a look around. Wow, these have really changed since we've been here before. Let's get some extra lights on there. Really, really nice, aren't they? Very, very nice. So that puts that one light on. So we've got a really decent sized TV. So they've dramatically improved. Beautiful furniture. And you've got plenty of drawer space there. Plenty of drawer space. Nice little table that you can do breakfast. They've got extra bedding there. Plenty of room to hang up your coats, shirts. And let's have a look at the kitchen area. So up here we've got a freezer at the top, a fridge at the bottom. Absolutely love the new furniture. I didn't realise they'd actually upgraded everything here. It looks totally different. So in here, plenty of cupboard space. You've got your glasses, your cups, everything that you're going to need. Over here we've got a toaster tea and coffee making facilities, a microwave, and we've got a kettle, which is the whistling kettle. You've got an oven, plenty of cooking utilities there. I take it there's knives and forks all in here. Lots of utensils, everything that you need. And what have we got here? So we've got radiators. There's probably maybe air conditioning somewhere. I'm not too sure where the air conditioning is in this room, but we'll let you know on that one. We've got a view looking probably down at 48th Street, but views are not everything. Let's have a look in the toilet. So here you've got the toilet, you've got the sink, and beautiful shower area. One thing that you'll find about the Radio City apartment is just superbly clean. Hairdryer, nice fluffy towels, and let's check out the beds. So we've got an ironing board over there, and let's do the bed test. Now that is really, really comfy. I think we're going to have a great night's sleep there. Clock radio and drawer space up here. And we've got the plugs. Really like the finishing furniture they've done. Brand new wallpaper. And the floors now are actually wooden floors, which is mostly what you'll see here in America. Beautiful leather chairs. I'm very, very impressed. What do you think?
Yeah, really, really good. It's a nice
room, isn't it?
It's a nice room, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm loving what Radio City have done. If you see our other videos on Radio City, we were here 2 years ago. Beautiful room still then, but they have done a wonderful, wonderful job of upgrading the rooms. And from this fantastic hotel and room, let's show you the wonderful sights of New York that you can enjoy from this fabulous location on 49th Street.
Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight, 'cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life. We moved west towards the city, grew up fast and got a little gritty. We found love, worked hard, bought a house with a big backyard. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight, 'cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life. When you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight, 'cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life.
And we're on 49th Street, and right in the middle of the screen there is the Radio City Apartments, which is where we are staying, and we've stayed for many, many years. And that is a beautiful view outside of the Radio City Apartments, your home away from home in New York City. on this beautiful day. To tell you a little bit about the Radio City Apartments, and this is on their website. The Renaissance Revival style hotel was designed by noted architect Robert Gibson, and it was erected in 1903. And during its heyday, the Roaring Twenties special rates were offered to those of the entertainment business, so it became a regular hangout for entertainers and musicians of the day. The Round Table was just around the corner after all. After falling into hard times in the 1970s, Radio City Apartments, they purchased this hotel and began a loving restoration, maintaining its historical past, but with the modern amenities we used, like cable and high-speed internet. And they continued to pursue the architectural building. The brick and the limestone, classically designed with the Palladian windows and balconettes, with the iron railings and even more distinctive features, is now the Radio City Apartments. Staying here at the Radio City Apartments for probably 20 odd years at least, and we absolutely love it. And the Radio City Apartments is so close to everything. You're 1 block away there from Times Square, 1 block away that way to Radio City, and at Christmas time, only 2 blocks away from the famous Rockefeller Center Christmas tree. You can certainly see why they say it's your home away from home. Definitely a big thumbs up to the Radio City Apartments. We love it. Don't look anywhere else. Come and stay at this wonderful place. And also next door you've got Teriyaki R Us, beautiful teriyaki chicken in there, Toasties, Radio City Pizza right next door. So much all around here. And next door to the Radio City Apartments is the fantastic Pasta Lovers restaurant, well worth checking out. And they've got the brick oven pizza. Radio City Apartments is really good for any disabled guests. As you can see, they cater really well for wheelchairs without going up into the steps there. So welcome to the Radio City Apartments. As you can see, there's an accessible area there for disabled to get up to the steps. So we're here on 49th Street and the lobby is spectacular. Beautiful paintings, very friendly staff to meet you on arrival, and you will certainly enjoy your stay here at the Radio City Apartments. To get to your rooms, you can either climb the stairs, or they do have 2 lifts available to get you to all floors. And the reception is manned 24 hours. And each time you come in, you just need to present your key. So the security is really good here at the Radio City Apartments. They have lots of information available for you to make sure that you have a wonderful stay here in New York City. Umbrellas are provided if it's a rainy day in New York. So if you fancy a relax, come and chill down here in the reception area. They've got beautiful chairs, beautiful paintings, and the door at the back there leads out to Pasta Lovers, which is a fabulous restaurant next door to the Radio City Apartments. And again, as you can see, the lobby area is absolutely stunning. You're going to so much enjoy your stay here at Radio City Apartments. So as we head to the room, as you can see, everywhere is immaculate at the Radio City Apartments. So we've spent now 2 nights in this beautiful room, and I'm absolutely loving the new decor that Radio City apartments have done. The beds have been extremely comfortable, and it's been really, really nice to do a lot of editing on this table for you guys. The only thing that I can say, this particular room, there's no air conditioning unit, and it has been extremely warm. Every other room, from what I can see, in the Radio City apartments has an air conditioning unit. Unfortunately, we've been unlucky this time. But yeah, it's a big thumbs up to the Radio City apartments. We've absolutely loved staying here again. What can I say for you guys? If you're looking for a place to stay in New York, plenty of room, very, very clean rooms, super clean rooms, then come and stay, and really good rates. And remember as well, book direct with the Radio City apartments to get the best possible rates. I think the only improvements that I would like to see is the TV. We need to probably get more of the smart TV compatibility in there, so get YouTube on so you can watch our videos, etc. So if you're listening, Radio City apartments, we need YouTube on there. But overall, we've loved the stay, and a big thank you to Tina if you're watching. I always contact Tina to make the reservations here, and yeah, we've absolutely loved it. So hope you've enjoyed the new updated review that we've done for you at the Radio City apartments here at 2025. Of course, if you've enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, and subscribe to the channel. But most importantly, come and book and stay here at the Radio City apartments on your next trip to New York.
Years and never change. We'll put up a fight, 'cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life. We moved west towards the city. Grew up fast and got a little gritty. We found love, worked hard. Bought a house with a big backyard. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you